Buongiorno. Today we are going to talk about adjective agreement. So first of all, in your book it's on page 26 and 27. And first of all, I want to clarify what an adjective is. So the adjectives in Italian, like in English, are all the words that describe people, places, and things. So usually are words that describe. So here, for example, you have Riccardo che dice Emily è divertente, socievole e indipendente. So divertente, socievole e indipendente are adjectives. So as you can see, adjectives are often used with the verb essere to point out the qualities of the subject. Fare un buon caffè non è facile, okay? Many adjectives in Italian are cognates. So a cognate is a word that sounds like or looks like a word in English. So their spelling and meanings are similar in both Italian and English. So if you look at these words, it's very easy to detect what they mean. Contento, difficile, disonesto or onesto, generoso, importante, indipendente, intelligente, interessante, lungo, nervoso, serio, sincero, socievole, studioso, timido e tranquillo. Whenever you look at a text that it's new for you, the most important thing is to always go first for cognates. What are the words that I recognize? What are my cues? What are the things that can help me understand? Okay? So there are other common adjectives in Italian. Antipatico, we use this word all the time. Lui è antipatico, lei è antipatica. Bello, as you can, we are very concerned about the beauty in general. Bravo, buono, cattivo, divertente. Facile, felice, noioso, pigro, simpatico e triste. One thing I want to clarify about the word bravo e buono. Buono is usually used for food or for to describe a person who is good at heart, is morally, ethically good. Bravo, it's not used to describe a person who is good at something. Like, for example, I am good at languages. In Italiano, we don't say io sono buona in matematica, but we use the word bravo. So I would say io sono brava in lingue. Okay? Bravo e brava, it means to be good at something, to be skilled. Okay? E poi, so I said it already. So both in buono e bravo mean good, pero bravo is used to describe someone who is skilled or talented. So l'insegnante di italiano è brava. Unlike the English, most adjectives in Italian follow the noun. So for you right now, at this level, the general rule, which is already very hard sometimes to switch in your brain, is that Italian adjectives follow the noun, okay? Un libro noioso. We do not say è un noioso libro. Sono ragazzi studiosi, okay? As we said it before, we learned when we learn nouns, adjectives agree in gender and number with the nouns they modify, and they change the final vowel in a similar way that the plural do, that the nouns do. So all the adjectives that are whose masculine and singular form is in all, they follow a pattern and they have 4 forms. So they have a form in all for the masculine singular, a form in a for the feminine singular, a form in I for masculine plural, and a form in e for feminine plural. Okay? once again, when we refer to groups of mixed gender, we usually use the masculine. Giorgio è contento. Giorgio e Laura sono contenti. Silvia è contenta. Silvia e Laura sono contente. Adjectives that end in E, they only have two forms. So they have a singular form, both for masculine and feminine, è intelligente, and a plural form, both for masculine and feminine. Lucia e Roberto sono intelligenti. Okay? Most adjectives that end in co, ca, go, and ga, because of that pronunciation rule that you studied yesterday, they require H in the plural to maintain the guttural, the hard sound of the C and the G. Exceptions to the rules are the masculine adjectives, plural, simpatici e antipatici, but all the rest follow the rule. È simpatica, le ragazze sono simpatiche, è un amico tedesco, sono amici tedeschi. Okay? So, adjectives of nationalities always follow the rule of the agreement that we just said, but unlike the English, they're never capitalized. So here are some adjectives of nationality. Americano, canadese, cinese, francese, giapponese, greco, inglese, italiano, marocchino, messicano, spagnolo, svedese, svizzero e tedesco. Okay? So when I ask for nationality, I usually use, or origin, I use di dove plus the verb essere. So, di dove sei? Where are you from? Sono italiana, sono di Roma. Okay? So when we reply with the name of a city, of a town, we use the preposition di. Sono di Roma, io sono di Napoli. Di dove sei? Sono di Durham, nel New Hampshire. Okay? So here you have, again, some practice that you can do. Again, remember that you have to always agree adjectives in gender and number. Okay? Next is there is a mini lesson on telling the time, and a presto. Ciao.